Did you know that some laws in the world are so strange, they leave people completely shocked? My name is Dure Nayab, and you are watching GDC, the Global Documentary Channel.
In Japan, making unnecessary noise in public places can result in fines.
Even laughing loudly in public is often considered inappropriate.
In Singapore, chewing gum is completely banned by law. Not only chewing it, but selling gum is also illegal.
In Switzerland, flushing toilets late at night is considered a violation in some areas.
The goal is to protect the peace and sleep of neighbors. In Japan, waistline measurements are actually part of the law.
It is considered one of the strangest health laws in the world. In the United Arab Emirates, inappropriate behavior in public can lead to legal trouble. Even taking photos without permission can be considered a crime. In Saudi Arabia, public dress codes often surprise the world.
In Qatar, inappropriate gestures in public places are treated as legal violations.
In Kuwait, posting offensive content on social media can become a serious crime.
In Oman, showing disrespect in public is also taken very seriously.
In North Korea, even hairstyles are decided by the government.
This is considered one of the strangest personal laws on earth. These laws prove that rules change dramatically from country to country.
Some laws exist for safety, while others are truly shocking. These are not myths or stories, and these laws are actually enforced in real life.
The real question is, why are such laws created? If you want to uncover such hidden realities of the world, then stay connected with GDC. Because here, we reveal the truths the world often tries to hide.